Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Lindy AI. Lindy AI promises to give you a team of AI employees that can handle repetitive work so you can focus on more important tasks. But does it actually live up to the hype? Is it powerful enough to replace traditional automation tools? And more importantly, is it worth paying for? In this video, we're taking a deep dive into Lindy AI. Let's get started. At its core, Lindy AI is an AI agent platform designed to automate work that would normally require a human assistant. Rather than giving you just another chatbot, Lindy allows you to create intelligent AI assistants called Lindys that can complete tasks, communicate with people, and interact with your favorite software. Think of it as hiring a digital employee that never sleeps. Unlike traditional automation tools that rely on simple "if this happens, then do that" workflows, Lindy combines large language models with workflow automation. This means that your AI agent doesn't just follow fixed instructions, it can understand context, make decisions based on available information, and respond naturally to people. For startups and small businesses that can't afford to hire multiple employees, Lindy offers an attractive way to automate repetitive administrative work. Larger organizations can also use it to improve efficiency, reduce response times, and streamline internal operations. The platform is cloud-based, meaning there's nothing to install. Everything is managed through an intuitive web interface where you can build, customize, monitor, and improve your AI agents over time. Overall, Lindy is trying to become an operating system for AI employees, bringing together communication, automation, integrations, and intelligent decision making into one platform. Now let us talk about the main features. AI employees. The biggest feature is the ability to create AI employees. Instead of building basic automations, you're creating AI agents that can complete ongoing responsibilities. These agents remember instructions, perform tasks repeatedly, and interact with users naturally. You can create different AI employees for different departments such as sales, customer support, operations, recruiting, administration, or marketing. Natural Language Workflow Builder. One of Lindy's biggest strengths is its ease of use. Instead of manually connecting dozens of workflow blocks, you can simply explain what you want your AI to accomplish in plain English. Lindy then generates much of the automation for you, making it much more approachable for non-technical users. Hundreds of integrations. Lindy connects with many of the tools businesses already use every day. They include email platforms, calendars, CRM systems, communication tools, productivity apps, databases, cloud storage services, and many other popular business applications. Because of these integrations, your AI employees can actually perform actions instead of simply generating text. For example, they can create calendar events, update CRM records, search documents, retrieve customer information, send emails, and trigger other business processes automatically. Email automation. Email is one of the most powerful use cases. Lindy can monitor your inbox, categorize incoming messages, summarize conversations, draft responses, follow up automatically, and even notify you only when your attention is actually needed. For professionals who spend hours inside their inbox every day, these alone can save a tremendous amount of time. Meeting assistant. Lindy also functions as an AI meeting assistant. It can schedule appointments, coordinate calendars, send reminders, generate meeting summaries, and help organize follow-up tasks after meetings are completed. Instead of constantly switching between your calendar and email, much of the scheduling process becomes automated. Sales automation. Sales teams can automate lead qualification, prospect research, personalized outreach, follow-ups, CRM updates, and pipeline management. Instead of spending hours on repetitive administrative work, sales representatives can spend more time actually closing deals. Now, what is the pricing of Lindy like? There's a Plus plan at $49.99 per month, there's a Pro plan at $99.99 per month, and there's a Max plan at $199.99 per month. You can try them for free before you eventually commit to making a payment. Now, what are the pros and cons of using Lindy AI? First, the pros. It's extremely easy to get started. It saves a huge amount of time, has excellent range of integrations, the AI agents feel more intelligent than basic chatbots, and has flexible automation. How about the cons? The premium features require paid plans. Heavy automation can become expensive, and the best value comes from using multiple integrations. Now here's the biggest question once again. Is Lindy AI actually worth the hype? Overall, I'd say yes, but with a few important caveats. Ultimately, Lindy shines brightest when it's used to automate complete business processes rather than isolated tasks. If you embrace it as a productivity platform instead of just another AI tool, it has the potential to save significant time and help your business operate more efficiently. And that's it on the review of Lindy AI. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore N8N, Zapier, and Make. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.